Good morning, students. Today, going to discuss about the IT8075 software project management final year subject. This is also research-oriented subject. Different subject is the research-oriented subject in final years. Mobile attack networks, SPM. Then data. My third year is also cloud computing. Okay. These subjects are also very useful for the work projects. Okay. Today, going to discuss about the first unit of some introductions. Then methodology of software project management. Actually, what is the meaning of software project management? Okay, is the art and the science of planning and leading software project. It is a sub-disciplines of the project management in which software projects are planned, implemented, and monitoring and controlled. Actually, third years you all studied software engineering. You also know that waterfalls method. First you take for the one project. First you plan the project, then implemented the project. After that is try to code testing, then deliver the project. This is a cyclic of the project. Here also project management, software project management. This include the tools, techniques, and the knowledge essential to deal with the growth of software product, problem identification, problem definition, project planning, project organization, resource allocations, project scheduling, tracking, reporting, and controlling project terminations. What is the importance of software project management? These best things about the software is flexibility. Today's software system can be programmed to be almost anything, even can fly aircraft. The worst things about software is also flexible. There is the almost anything characteristics of software they has made it difficult to open, monitor, and control software development. Software project management, just to take further or a small example of project management tools. First, you do the some final year project. For example, you just try to do for the final year project. Four members is the minimum of four or three members is there. First, you try to initialize, plan the project. Then initialize, then planning the project. After that, coding implementations. After then testing, then deliver the project. This is a cyclic of projects. In these projects is some importance. What is the importance of the project? Just in the May 1990s, an important analysis of state of the software engineering industry was performed and reached the same general conclusions. The success rate of software project is very low. Actually, what is the meaning of the project? The project is sequence of unique, complex, and connected activities having one goal for purpose and that must be completed by a specific time within budget according to the specifications. Okay. First, planning also is the most important. Parallelly, cost and time also is the most important of the software project. Okay. Then one more example. First of all, the organizations. One organization, that is organization is board of management, education department. The education department, there is four entities there. Student is one entity, teachers is another one entity, there is parent is also another entity, board of management members also another entity. This is one of the team of the projects. Student motivations just to become a graduate, try to get for become graduates. Parents also they will be transform the children get the professional degree. Okay, teachers motivation just training to the practical knowledge and parallel just try to the give for some technical knowledge. Board of management members just provide the quality education to the all the students. Okay, this is also one of the small example of this teamwork. Okay, there is an example of education organization systems. Activities of software project management, first of all planning, then methodology, then third one project methods and techniques. The planning, the aim of this process is to make sure that various project tasks are well coordinated and they meet the various project goals, including timely completion of the project. Otherwise, the time is the most important. Then completion of the project and cost also is the most important. First of all, You just do the plan in where beginning of the project. Okay, the project plan shows the current state of all the project's activities and used to observe and control the project. Project planning assist in facilitating communications, provides overall documents of assumptions, planning decisions, monitoring, measuring the project progress. The project planning phases can be generally classified as development of the project planning, execution of the project planning, then change control and corrections actions. The steps in project planning here also given that various steps. First, project scope definitions, planning, then activity definitions, activity sequence, time sequence, effort and resource estimations, risk of the factors identification, cost estimations, organizational resource planning, schedule development, quality of planning, risk management planning, project plan development of executions. Then performance report, planning, change management, project rolled out planning. Then methodology, here also given that so many methodology, rational uniform process, then SSADM, then Prince 2, extreme programming, then Scrum, okay, crystal clearing. Here also RUB, that is rational unified process. This process also is used in task by task. For example, task A, B, C, D. So many tasks is there. First try to complete A, then B, then C. That is iterations. It is called iteration process. Actually, in this process also they will be used for small scale industries. That is developed in IBM product. Here using for the steps of the process. Requirement planning, then analysis and designing, then implementing the projects, implementing and developing, then testing. After that, evaluation the project. After the evaluation, just give to the end users. End users to be used for with manual. They will be refer with manual to improve the knowledges. Okay, this is RUB. RUB method, rational rows, unified modeling language. Unified modeling language, one more software is available in present trend. Then software is also used for third year lab, I think cloud computing. Unified modeling language. This is also you see RUB technology. Okay. RUB methodology is does not use for the waterfall approaches of software development. Here also some application is there. Modest nature of RUB can be employed for all sorts of software projects. Advantages leads to higher effectiveness. These are all the RUB technology. Then SSADM. SSADM means structured system analysis design modeling. Here also given that management, here different criteria is there. Management, feasibility study, system uses, SSADM implementation, sequence of the process. Okay, in this process used to implement it for the SSADM. SSADM process is feasibility study, requirement analysis, requirement specifications, logical system specification, physical designs. In these models also used for waterfall method. Okay, here also using for the revolves around the use of three key techniques: local data modeling, data flow modeling, entity modeling. Local data modeling, that is called LDM, data flow modeling DFM, entity modeling is EM. Prince 2, that is another one methodology. This is starting a project, initialize the project, this directing a project, controlling a stages, managing stages boundaries, planning, managing product delivery, closing a project. Here also used for three key concept, that is control, quality, planning. The control, the being able to control your project, and key to it is achieved for this reason. Prince 2 breaks down the project into essential management stages. Quality, that is a product meets the customer quality respect. These must be defined and agreed when a project is being planned. Next, planning is here does not end once the project has started. The right principle process all but one enhanced planning. It is a final stage of the project, sir. A lesson learned: every time we can carry out the project, we can update some knowledge, some mistakes, ideas, and This also is a success rate of these projects. E-Extreme programming is engineering technique that can be formed in 1996. It received fair media attention. So most are renowned for this practice that are sometimes regarded as conventions such as pair programming and test-driven programming. The Scrum it is all the angel techniques for the project management. It is used for since 1990. It has been called the hyper productivity tool. Scrum uses the following concepts: sprint backlog, sprint backlog, product backlogs, scrums. Here also using the flow diagrams first product backlog, sprint backlogs, and the sprint that is based on the days and hours, working agreement of the softwares. Crystal clear, high optimized way to use a small collector teams, priority for safety delivering the satisfactory outcomes. Crystal Clear has it is a core 7 property, frequency delivering, reflective implementation, automatic communication, then on personal safety focus, easy access to experts users, technical environment with automated test. Project methodology here also used for different methodology for project management, body of the knowledge, constructive cost model, COCOMO models, milestone trend analysis MDA, then earned value management, crystal path. Okay, these are all the some models and basics of software project management. Then activities, then methodology also discussed for these classes. Okay, next class we'll going to discuss for that another topic. Okay.